Good afternoon, students. Let us discuss about your chapter number 20, which is volume and surface area of solids. And in this chapter, we will discuss about different types of solid shapes such as cuboids, cubes, cylinder, cone, spheres, etc. And all of these figures are three-dimensional figures which are described in 3 dimensions. And first of all, we will discuss about the first solid shape, which is cuboid. This is your cuboid. And in this figure we can see that this is the representation of 2D representation of cuboid, in which we can see that there are 6 faces, which are all the faces are rectangular. A, B, C, D lower face, and upper face is E, F, G, H. And similarly there are 2 other faces which are at the left side and at the right side. And at the left side we can see that the rectangular face is B, C, F, E, and A, D, G, H. And similarly we can also see that the back and forth face, namely A, B, E, H and C, F, G, D. Then we can say that there are 6 faces in a cuboid, and about the edges of the cuboid we can see the straight lines A, B, D, C, H, E, G, F, and similarly B, C, A, D, E, F, H, G. And if we count all the straight lines in this cuboid, we can see that there are 12 edges of this cuboid. And the third part of the cuboid is vertex, and we can say that the points lying at the corners of this cuboid are called vertices, namely A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. There are 8 vertices. Now we discuss about the surface areas of cuboid. There are 2 types of surface areas of cuboid. First one is known as lateral surface area, and second one is total surface area. And what do you mean by total surface area? All the rectangles we see in this cuboid, the area of all the rectangles collectively is called total surface area of the cuboid. And we can also write down total surface area. We can see that L into B and L into B, 2 faces, area of 2 faces, upper and lower faces. We can write LB plus LB, and similarly the sided left sided and right sided faces are area will be B into H, B into H. Then we can write 2BH. It means BH plus BH. BH plus BH will be 2BH. And similarly the back and forth faces, area of the back and the forth faces will be H into L, and in the back side H into L. Then HL plus HL. We can write HL plus HL, and by adding we can get 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL, and by taking 2 as common, total surface area of the cuboid will be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. And the unit of area is square unit. If the dimensions are given in meter, then the unit will be meter square, or we can also write square meter. And if the units are in centimeter, then we can write square centimeter or centimeter square. and in the lateral surface area we have to subtract 2lb from total surface area, because lateral surface area means we have to leave two surfaces. It means the lower surface and the upper surface. And we can also see in this figure that the area of lower surface will be L into B and the area of upper surface will be L into B. Then we have to subtract 2lb from this total surface area, 2lb, and the area remaining is called lateral surface area. And in this way lateral surface area is equal to 2BH plus 2HL, and by taking 2HH common from these two terms we can get 2 into L plus B into H. And what about the volume of the cuboid? We know that volume is the space occupied by the solid figure. How much space is covered by this solid figure? And we can also say that volume is three-dimensional quantity, and hence the volume of cuboid will be area of the base into height. And we can see that area of the base is L into B. In this figure we can see that area of the base is L into B, area of the rectangle, and into height is given as H. Then the volume will be L into B into H. We can say that volume of the cuboid is V is equal to L into B into H, and which is LBH. And what about the unit of the volume? Then the unit will be cubic unit, because there are the multiplication of three dimensions, three lengths L, B and H. Then the unit will be cubic unit. If the dimensions are given in meter, then unit will be meter cube or cubic meter. And if the dimensions are given in centimeter, then the unit will be centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. And the next formula is the diagonal of the cuboid. Diagonal means the length, the longest rod that can be placed inside a cuboidal room. It means from the lower corner to the opposite upper corner. This will be the diagonal of the cuboid, and this diagonal can be calculated with the help of this formula: D is equal to under root L square plus B square plus H square. Now we discuss about the other shape, which is as same as the cuboid. It means if we take cuboid, and cuboid means a cuboid in which all the three dimensions are equal. And there are different types of examples: the die of the Ludo and ice cube, etc. There are different examples of cube. We can see that all the dimensions of this cuboid are equal, and let us consider all the edges will be small a, then all the edges will be a. And we can also easily calculate the formula, different formulas related to cuboid. We know that as in the cuboid there are 6 faces, and if we calculate the total surface area of the cube, it means TSA of cubes will be the area of the 6 faces of the cube. And we can see that all the faces of the cube is in the square shape, and the area of the square is a square. And if we add 6 areas of faces, then we can get 6a square. Sorry, this is TSA, and after this LSA, lateral surface area, we have to subtract two areas. It means A square and A square. Lower area and upper area, if we subtract from this total surface area, then we can get 6A square minus 2A square, and therefore LSA of cube will be 4A square. This is 4A square. And what about the volume of the cube? Volume, area of the base into height, and we see that area of the base is A square. We can write A square into height is also A. Then we can write V is equal to A cube, and this is TSA, and this is LSA, and units are the same as cuboid. And after this, the diagonal of the cuboid will be, let us see the diagonal. If we take this corner, then we have to take this edge V, QV. The distance from Q to V is called the diagonal of the cuboid. If we take this corner, then we have to take this vertex ST. Then diagonal will be, we know that the diagonal of the cube is root over L square plus B square plus H square, and if we place LBH is equal to A, then we can write D is equal to A square plus A square plus A square, which is 3A square, root over 3A square, and A is perfect square, then we take A outside and we can write A under root 3. This is the diagonal of the cube. Therefore, diagonal of the cube is A under root 3. Now we have read about different formulas of cube and cuboid, and now let us have a look into the conversion of units. Conversion of units. Conversion of units. Let us take length unit is given as in centimeter, and we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, 10 millimeter. And if we convert this unit, volume unit, this unit into volume unit, then we can write 1 centimeter cube, and 1 centimeter cube will be 10 into 10 into 10, 10 into 10 into 10, and which is equal to 1000 mm cube, because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, 10 mm into 10 mm into 10 mm, this will be 1000 mm cube. And this is also known as 1000 mm cube is also known as 1 ml, 1 milliliter, because we know that ml is the unit for the liquids. For the liquids we use ml, and 1000 mm cube is the space occupied by 1 ml of liquid. Similarly, we can also take another unit. If we take 1 decimeter, 1 dm in salt, and 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. Then if we take a volume unit, it means 1 decimeter cube, 1 dm cube, and this will be 10 into 10 into 10, and which is also equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Because 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter, and 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, 1000 centimeter cube. And this volume is also known as 1 liter. 1 liter. This is the space occupied by 1 liter of any liquid, and in solid we can say that the space is 1000 centimeter cube. We can say that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Similarly, we can also take different examples which is given in your book. If we take 1 meter as length unit, if we take 1 meter as length unit, and we can write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and if we convert this unit in volume units, then we have to write 1 meter cube. We can write 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 into 1000 into 1000, 100 into 100 into 100, 100 into 100 into 100, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. It means 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. We can write 10 to the power 6, because there are 6 zeros. We can write 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. And we must also know that 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cube, and which is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, and which is equal to 1000 ml. And we also know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. And if you take kiloliter, kilo means 1000. Kilo means 1000. If we take we can write 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. In short, we write 1 kl, and which is equal to 1000 liters. 1000 liters. Okay, this is all about conversion of units, and you have to draw this table, and you have to also learn this table, how to convert the length unit into volume units. And in the next class we will discuss about we will solve some examples related to cubes and cuboids, and after this we solve exercise 20A. Okay, thank you students.